Hi mga karagara, welcome back to my vlog. Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mula dito sa Lasak City. Nako, grabe. So, fresh overlooking ang gabing to sa ating chismisan galore sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Wala muna tayong menopausal fashion, distraction look. Dahil very distraction ngayon ang mga chikahan na pinag-uusapan ng mga active na mga chismoso at mga chismosa sa social media. Mga karag-karag tungkol nga sa naging pa-interview preliminary ni Nicole, ang pambato ng Cebu Province. Ano daw ang nangyari? So, nagkaroon ako ng interest ba? Ay, hindi ko pala napanood yung kay Cebu Province kay Nicole. So, kaya, sa pagdali-dali ko kanina mga karag-karag at yung internet namin dito, makamatay din, magkonsumisyon galore jug ka. So, ngayon lang ako natapos panoorin ang pa-interview ni Nicole ni Cebu Province. Magiging reaction ko naman mga karag-karag. Alam kong napanood na ninyo, pero sa mga busy, sa mga ganap sa buhay, gaya ko, nako, watch this.
Representing Cebu Province.
Hi, Nick. So, you've represented the Philippines successfully in a... Hi, Nick. So, you've represented the Philippines successfully in a pageant that has a very different approach and type from Miss Universe. Which version of Nicole is closer to the real you?
I'd say the closest version to Nicole is the one that's rooted in faith. In the past, I have had the wonderful opportunity of representing the country, but I think I did that on a more selfish note. Versus this time around, I come with a mission, I think, to bring hope, uplift others, create safe spaces, and to be a light to those around me.
Now, what is something about you that you think people would be surprised to discover?
I'd say maybe a fun fact about me that people may be surprised to hear about was I actually released a single. So back when I was little, I was super shy. I had a really bad stutter. I didn't have the courage to go up to people. I couldn't even hold eye contact. And for me to change that up now and to be the person that I am, releasing a single, dancing with people, it's a way to bring more people together and connect.
Which Filipino beauty queen do you admire most and why?
I think she's sitting right in front of me. A beauty queen that I admire. Gazini, when I saw you represent our country, that was the first time that I thought to myself, I want to be on that stage too someday. When you represented the country, it was on my birthday, and we watched you at Marco Polo, and you were incredible. And I want you to know that you inspire girls around you too.
Why should you be the next Miss Universe Philippines?
This is such a simple question, but yet so hard to answer. I've thought about this so many times. I think every girl here that's competing is very worthy of the title. But, so in my case, I'd rather have it be for my faith and for the power that I can bring. I like to think that when the people around me meet me, I like to think that they feel happier, that after a conversation with me, they feel lighter. And that's what I like to be, like a star, a light in the universe.
Yan ang mga karagkarang narinig na ninyo at napanood na ang preliminary interview ni Nicole, ang pambato ng Cebu Province. Magiging reaction ko naman mga karagkarag, no? Alam nyo naman na 50-50 below the ground lang ang cell membrane ng katalinuhan ko. Mahirap i-explain, pero naiintindihan ko ha. Wala lang talaga akong knowledge na mag-explain ba ng bongga bitaw. So ibigay ko sa inyo yung comment section. Sa sariling pananaw, paniniwala ko lang mga karagkarag, ang ganda sana ni Nicole, no? Ang ganda, grabe yung face card value ni Nicole. Sarap ibenta sa black market. But sad to say, sa kanyang preliminary interview mga karagkarag, nanibago ako sa kanya. Parang pinilit niyang binago yung sarili niya dahil sa pagsali niya sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Parang, si Nicole ba to? Kasi ibang Nicole yung nakikita natin nung lumaban siya sa Miss International. Dito nga, sa pagsali niya sa MUPH 2026, parang may something na weird akong nakikita sa kanya na ko ha. Parang lalo na nung sumagot bitaw siya na nag-expect ako sa kanya ng ng bongga. Kasi isa siya sa malakas na frontrunner sa taon na to sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026, but Na-disappoint ba ako bilang bobong chismosang vlogger? Oo. Umasa talaga ako sa kanya na magpakitang gilas ito sa preliminary interview, but sad to say, siguro makabawi ito sa final, mga karag-karag. Ewan ko lang kung anong attacking gagawin niya para mabawi niya yung nawala yung preliminary interview momentum niya. So, ewan ko sa inyo mga karag-karag kung ano yung magiging reaction nyo sa naging sagot ni Nicole sa preliminary interview sa Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Magingay tayo sa comment section, at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe ko, Ragan Karag, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest kaganapan at lit na intriga sa mundo ng beauty pageant. And thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!